The essence of Total Pain Solutions, the essence of Healing Hands of America, is to restore hope to the hopeless. So many of these patients have been told there's nothing that can be done. There's nothing else to do. There's no cure for what you have. Just take your medicines, get out of my office. So they come to us and we're kind of we're the last stop on the train. For me, as a surgeon, it's kind of bittersweet. When I was deployed to Afghanistan, I was the only head and neck reconstructive surgeon in the entire country. As a matter of fact, the only one for that country and the adjacent countries. I wasn't the only Air Force head and neck surgeon. I wasn't the only military head and neck surgeon. I wasn't the only US head and neck surgeon there. I was the only one, period. So what does that mean? On the upside, it means I can really make a difference. On the downside, it means that if I mess anything up, or if I can't find a solution, there's nobody else there to do it for me. And today, I get to live that experience every single time I see a patient. There are so few of us that have been trained in peripheral nerve surgery to treat pain that when these patients come to me, it's a lot like when I was in Afghanistan. If I can't figure it out, the likelihood that somebody else will be able to is pretty small. And so it's gratifying to see those patients that we can help. It's also really intimidating to know there's a possibility we might not be able to help, because nobody bats 1,000. Medicine is an art. It's ever evolving, and we're always learning new things about how we can do things better, how we can be better. When you're on the cutting edge, trying to figure out ways to help people where those patients have failed everywhere else, that's what happens. You end up with some patients who do great, and it's invigorating. And then you end up with some patients who are disappointed, and that hurts. It's a big responsibility, and I'm glad to have been one of the people given the privilege to be able to take on that responsibility.